So let my penne pasta boil. Wait for that to get done. Put some oil in the pot, let our onions get translucent, and then we're going to cut up our cherry tomatoes. Then add your salt, pepper, parsley, your garlic powder, and your Italian seasoning. Stir that up. Then you're going to add your spinach. It's going to wilt down anyway, so don't worry about adding the whole thing. Well, it look like a lot, but it'll wilt down. So add your cherry tomatoes that you chopped in half. I forgot the mushrooms, so include mushrooms in this recipe because I totally forgot. So chop your cherry tomatoes in half and drop them in here as well. Add your vegetable broth. Now add your Kroger's plant-based Alfredo. Put some water in there to get the rest of it out. So because it's so thick, you might have to put water in the jar twice and get all of that sauce from out of there. And I'm gonna mix. So this is not enough sauce for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my second jar of Alfredo, vegan plant-based Alfredo. And this is from Kroger. This is the Simple Truth brand. Stir this up. I'm gonna add a few more seasonings for that extra flavor. Add some more tomatoes because I think it's entirely too much pasta. So you're just going to add your extra tomatoes and then you're going to add the seasonings that we put in earlier. So that's the parsley, the garlic powder, the ground cumin, the parsley, salt and pepper. Then you also want to add just a tablespoon of this, just a tablespoon. That's it. And it is done. But the only thing, please do not forget the mushrooms. This is like the healthier version. I usually do the field roast sausages, the apple sage. But not today because I'm trying to stay away from processed food. And so, yeah, that part. So, and it's done. Yay, time to eat. How could I almost forget about the cheese? Okay, so I'm only going to do like half of a block, but like cut these into cubes and put them into your Alfredo. Test it out. Ooh, it's bubbly. Put my cheese in there and let that melt down and we should be good to go. So, it felt like it was missing something to me, so I added more pepper, just a little bit more salt, and then I'm gonna add it like just like a tablespoon of this. I like mine with a little bit of kick, so just a little, not even a tablespoon, I'll say a teaspoon because this stuff is really spicy. So about maybe half a teaspoon. It's actually not bad. I just tasted it, but I hate like when you cook meals like this. Sometimes it takes a day for the seasonings and stuff to like rest in it for it to taste better. So it probably tastes better like tomorrow. I made enough for leftovers, so